Okay, now we're attacking the waves in Cancun. A little bit chilly. Pretty strong winds. Oh, are you coming? Okay, here comes a pretty big one. This is a major wave. Tanечка, come. Pretty salty. Whoa, strong current underneath me, pulling you back out. Oh, here comes a monster. Here comes a big one. Oh, no problem. Tanечка, come on. Oh, another big one coming. Here we go, up and over. Yeah, baby, nothing to it. Piece of cake. Tanечка, что? Over. We're just floating now and riding the waves. That was a big one. There's another big one. What's a little weird is right now when these waves come over you, there's a current underneath that sucks you out into the ocean. You can feel it pulling at you. Could be a little risky for kids or something. Are you coming? Come on. These waves sure are pretty. Here's a big. Whoa. Come on, it's beautiful when you're in. Oh, big one. These waves are beautiful. Here's a big one. And we're riding it. Come on. Come on. The lovely Tatiana is a little reluctant. Yeah, that was a big one. Come on. It's easier out here than it is in there. It's what? Okay, here goes a big one. Here's a big one. Right on your back. Right on your back. Oh, yep, there it is. That wasn't too bad. Easy. Come on out here. Say hi to the camera. Oh, here's a big one. We're riding over it. Yep. Yep. That one drowned us a little bit. This water is beautiful. Yeah, here's a big guy. We're gonna float on our back. We're gonna ride over him like it's a piece of cake. Oh, look at this guy. Here's a big one. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. It's what? Oh, here's a biggie. And another big one. Here we go. Whoa! Maybe we'll get a shot of them going that way instead of coming at me. Get a shot of the waves going past me. Yeah, like that. It's what? What? Yeah, that was a big one. Yeah, that one kind of took me by surprise. That was a big one. Yeah, here's another big one. Current's pushing us that way. We got to go this way. Okay, big wave. Okay, we're turning the camera off.